hei wini wini ti hei wana wana. Papa paki ki wana ngā tai ki te reina tua tua ki te maaro. Mai te pō ki te au ki pō. Tēnei wā e noho tahi tātou. Nā reira i roto i ngā kōrero. I roto i ngā whakakono. I whakawhetai, nā te me i tēnei wā, kareroa e pānei mai a i Ukraite. Nā reira i roto i ngā whakamuimiti whakawhetai, anei tātai e tuku mihi. I roto i ngā mihi kia whakauro i tēnei wā kia rātou e tangi ana, e heke nai roi mata. Ki tēnā marae, Ria tira. Nā reira i roto i ngā kōrero, pālahi tangaloa. Wai te wai o Hawaiki nui, Hawaiki roa, Hawaiki pāmama. O tātou nei e whakaoro ai i ngā kupu. Ko te kupu e whakanui i a tātou. Nō reira, ko te kupu o te rā, o tātou te kura puke o roa pata. Ki ngā mātua, ngā kaitiaki o tēnei kura, o tēnei hāpori, nau mai haramai. Ko roto i ngā kupu, ka waihotia i ngā mihi, i roto i tēnei wā, i roto i ngā kupu o te ata. Nō reira, tēnā tātou. A koe rangatira e kia koe kua kai mai he whakanui tātou kaupapa. Tēnā koe, tēnā tātou, tēnā kia hiri tātou. Toko koe te pō. O te pō rui, o te pō roa, o te pō riri, o te pō whawha, te pō tikitia, te pō te whaia, tēnā te atu, o te toko tāne roihuku, o te atua ki te pō, toko koe te ao, o te ao nui, o te ao roa, o te ao marama, te ao whekere, te ao whatuma, te ao pōtano, tēnā kātu, haere te pō
Tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai, hara mai, welcome along to our sports prize giving this morning. Just a few housekeeping rules before we begin. If you need the wharepaku, the toilet is just straight out the door there to the left. In the event of emergency, which hopefully there's not, we will exit via the exit door and we need to assemble on the village green out the front. Halfway. Lovely to see you all here today. I'm going to get started. I think everybody knows I'm Whaia Mel, affectionately known Whaia Mel within the kura, and I'm the sports coordinator down at Rotorua Primary and help to organise all your wonderful taonga into all their teams. I want to just have a big mihi nunui to all of our whānau, because you are the backbone that help all of your tamariki to be involved in sports, getting out there and coaching, driving them up to the fields and to the courts to drop them down for their games. I know as a parent myself with Whai Tamariki, sports has definitely been the vessel for pretty much everything within our whānau and within our home, and within creating, I believe, amazing young adults and rangatahi who do the right thing majority of the time, who stay on a path, and sports has definitely been the key to all of that. So congratulations to all our whānau for ensuring that your kids are getting involved. That is awesome and amazing. I've got a couple of things here. Our printer's been playing up at kura, so reading off a computer this morning. Just read a couple of words. Right. Sports are more than just games. They're an opportunity to develop skills, build character, and strengthen teamwork. This year, our students have displayed resilience, dedication, and exceptional talent across a wide range of sports. Today, we acknowledge and celebrate their hard work and commitments. This morning, I will be inviting some taonga who have been selected by their coaches for displaying some of these attributes. Helping me to present our certificates today is our guest speaker today, which is actually my son, Tirito. And Tirito will be shaking their hands with recipients and presenting their certificates. They'll come up in groups, 10 groups. What I'm going to ask this morning is that we refrain from applauding each individual tamaiti, and we will applaud for perhaps 6 of them on stage, and we will applaud for them together. This year we're a little bit different. We did photos down the front last year, but the screen at the back is quite busy. So I've asked, Cyrus is going to be escorting our tamariki off the stage. They'll go down through on the red mat, down around the back, out the door, and we've got a photo place set up just outside there, so their photos will be done real nice. If you wish to go and join and have some photos afterwards, you can do that after we finish our prize giving. Hapai? I think we'll start off. I'm just going to ask Tirito to come to the stage and he can introduce himself and why he's here today, which was actually because I couldn't find anybody else. We reached out to a few other people who were busy today, which is, you know, what we would expect at this time of the year. And so I invited Tirito very last minute, and I'm hoping he's going to step up to the plate. He's here, he can let you know why I've asked him to come along, not just because he's my son, but he has done some pretty awesome things. So, hara mai Tirito.
Kia rei te whānau, ko Tirito Rika tōku ingoa, Huria i ngā Ngāti Whakaunga te Arohānau. I'm here today. Mum got me in last night. She said I was a last resort, so I had no choice. So I'm here today as a guest speaker for today. So a little bit about my background. I've been involved in sports pretty much the entirety of my life. Since I could run, I've been playing hockey. So I've been playing hockey for pretty much 14 and a half years, and I've been paddling since I was 8. So just turned 16. I've been paddling for 8 years now. I had the opportunity to represent Aotearoa earlier this year in Brazil, the World Distance Championships. We put in all the hard work and it paid off. We got a bronze medal, so third in the world is a big achievement. Just to all our tamariki out here today. For you that are getting awards today, congratulations. And to you who weren't lucky enough to receive awards, today's not the finish line, and yeah, keep pushing because there's always next year. And yeah, listen to all the coaches because they're not trying to annoy you. They want you to keep being better than what you are now. And yeah, so congratulations to you all, and get up there, that's all. A little video, a short clip of a bit of my paddling.
He might show us at the end, so it figures out how to.
Maybe afterwards, but I'll show you fellas a little clip I made.
Halfway. Nobody This morning we'll be starting with our basketball awards. This year our basketball players, you've shown focus, determination and teamwork every time you've stepped onto the court. We had some great results this year from some of our teams, and we hope to basketball's been a really big sport within our kura, and we hope to see that continue on over the years. Matua Sam has been a student driver with our older tamariki, our year 7s and 8s, who's always been involved in taking all of our teams, our boys teams, our mixed crews. So a big mihi to you, Matua Sam, for driving that sport within our kura. Can I ask for the following people to itu and to come to the side of the stage? We've got for RPS Lakers Most Improved Player, Alaska Burko. Kapai, RPS Lakers Most Valuable Player this year goes to Kaimani Ray Kelly. Next team up. Come on in, stay up here on the stage, darling. Next team, we should have RPS Bulls. The valuable player is Cora Kershaw. Way up from that side of the stage, no stairs over here. And RPS Bulls' most valuable player is Kaya Jane Tyson. Next team, RPS Celtics. Most valuable player is most improved player, Pounamu Rui. Come up, move to the next side. most valuable player, we have Cody Lockwood. Kapai koutou, I'm going to ask Cyrus to escort these people down to have their photos. Paki mai. Okay, moving on. Next basketball team is RPS East. Our most improved player this year goes to Mare Kura Davis. RPS Heat most valuable player goes to Miss Tui Butler. Moving on to RPS Clippers. Most improved player goes to Lyric Buddy Campbell. And our most valuable player coming out moving on to RPS Mavericks. Most improved player, Bria Brady Butler. And our most valuable player, Ali Taylor. Our last team was our RPS Cavaliers, our UCLA boys. Most improved player is Aaron Lewis. Our most valuable player, JFW. Kapai, paki mai, Kapai, follow Cyrus off the stage. Right down the back, please, Cyrus. And moving on, thank you. RPS Wonder Six, our year 1 and 2. Our most improved player goes to Hannah Olsen. Ngā mihi koutou, I know it's exciting, our most valuable player for Wonder Six goes to Alaska Burko. Moving on to our RPS Black Six, our year 3 and 14. Most improved player is Violet Wallace. Most valuable player is Valiant Rain Cooley. Moving on to our RPS Marbles, our year 5 and 16. Our most improved player goes to Altia Reynolds. Most valuable player of these marbles goes to Tui Butler. Moving on to our last team, RPS Pukeroa. Most improved player goes to Mr. Nuku Lyon. RPS Pukeroa most valuable player 2025 goes to William Lockwood.